Hello, outdoor enthusiasts. Meet the Timber Ridge Lightweight Camping Chair, your perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. This portable Laurel Director's chair is not just about comfort but also functionality, featuring a versatile cooling bag that keeps your drinks chilled even on the hottest days. With a fully padded backrest and cushioned armrests, you can relax in ultimate comfort, while the foldable side table ensures your snacks and essentials are always within easy reach. Built with a robust 25mm powder-coated steel frame, this chair supports up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for camping, backyard lounging, or any outdoor event. Despite its heavy-duty build, it remains lightweight and folds down to a compact size, ensuring easy transport and storage. Crafted from premium materials, the Timber Ridge Camp Chair promises exceptional durability and low maintenance care, delivering outstanding comfort and dependability for all your adventures. So, gear up and enjoy the great outdoors with this reliable and convenient camping chair. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.